Hey, stop right there. Because even the smallest choices you make today can rewrite your tomorrow. As you walk through these aisles, milk, cheese, yogurt, meat, it may look like ordinary shopping, but it's more than that. Every item you pick is an investment into your energy, your health, your future self. Think about it. Your body becomes what you feed it. Strong bones from that milk, energy from that protein, and vitality from the nutrients tucked into the simple shelves. The real wealth you carry isn't in your wallet, it's in your well being. So don't just fill your cart, fill your life with choices that fuel you, not drain you. What you choose today